Hi, I'm Carsen. I'm studying integrated media and strategic communications. I got into this because I took video broadcasting at Capitol High School. My high school teacher was an alum of the program, so I toured the facilities my senior year and I wanted to come here. Some extracurriculars I've been involved in have been through University Television Productions, which is a course, but I mean a lot of the work I do is like outside of like class time, so I like to call it an extracurricular. Another part of my involvement has been through employment. I've worked a weird amount of jobs on campus. I was a bus driver, an RA, I was a marketing coordinator for RHA, and I was a student videographer for student communications and marketing, and it was just fun getting involved through all those jobs. I came in knowing how to like edit and shoot video from high school and just like goofing off with my friends, but I was able to hone my broadcast skills, so a lot more like live production is what we do in University Television. So I learned a variety of like positions within the control room, we call it. So I was able to learn how to run like a switchboard, audio, and eventually direct, which is what I like doing. And then from directing, I got into producing, which is a lot more writing and just like planning of the show that we do. And that's really where I found my passion and eventually what I want to do in the future. There were several benefits to my on-campus employment. Like obviously, when I was an RA, I was able to live on campus for free, which was really helpful because I mean, the semester before I was commuting, and being back on campus where I was able to actually be around people was a lot more fun because I was able to make more friends, and a walk to class for 10 minutes, so that was an obvious perk of the job. Even through other jobs, like when I was a shuttle driver, I was able to see regulars and say, hey, how are you guys doing? Just fun conversations like that. And then like with the videographer, it was just meeting people on campus that we were interviewing and learning more about campus resources through my employment, which was a lot of fun. I got hired as a producer at Channel 7, KTVB, and I'm excited for that, but I was able to leverage my on-campus experience through several means. Like with career services, I was able to meet with them and refine my resume to apply for the jobs I was looking for, which was really helpful. The University Television professor, his name is Nathan Snyder. He's been really helpful in my development because I came to him my sophomore year after doing University Television for a bit, and I said, hey, I'm interested in producing. Can I start producing for the show? And just having that conversation, he was able to work me in with people that were also producing at the time, and then eventually, like my senior year, I was the executive producer or the senior producer, so I was basically running the show, which is a lot of fun. He's been instrumental because when I was interviewing at KTVB, they knew my name from talking to Nathan Snyder, which was helpful, so having that foot in the door is nice. I wish I would have known that the key to getting involved on campus is just putting yourself out there. Like, I would not consider myself an outgoing person. Like, it's hard for me to feel like I'm very in my shell often, and just signing up for that class, 117, was able to help me come out of my shell because I found a community that I was involved in, so it's really helpful to take that first step and put yourself in an uncomfortable position because it could pay out well in the end.